Hey, Chase, it's pouring out. It's windy, raining, everything. Look at this. Holy mackerel. Wow. Look at the tree blowing like crazy over here now. Wind has definitely picked up even stronger. Look at that. Holy mackerel. Trees are moving around like crazy. The trash cans are flying around. Wow, look at this rain. Woo! Look at it raining now. Sideways rain. It's raining sideways over here. Look at the tree go. Look at it raining. Holy mackerel. Look at the trees. Look at it blowing like crazy. Look, look, look. About 40, 50 miles an hour gust right there. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, look at the trees. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this tree. Oh my God. I thought it was going to snap. Look at that wind blow. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, it's getting real windy now. The wind's probably going to get stronger and stronger as... Yeah, look at that. Wow. Look at this tree. I know. Look at the trees in the woods. Wow. Woo! Look at this shit. That's getting real windy out here now. Holy mackerel. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Blowing right in my face. Damn. Wow. Holy. Guys, rain's blowing sideways. Look, I'm going to put the video cam closer up to the rain. I'm zooming in. Look at that rain. Damn. Woo! That's somebody's car, not mine. Look how windy it's getting. Holy mackerels. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Yep. Wait, yeah, look at that. Wow. We're going to get a long video going. Look at this wind. Holy man. Look at this wind. Holy man, I got a video, man. Oh. Wow. Boy, it's getting windy out here now. Guys, 60 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour. Right now. And there go branches fell in the woods. Holy mackerel. What? Big branches came right down off that tree. There's something making noise. Wow, in the woods, way in the woods. You can't hear it because the wind's making... Wow, you just missed that gust. That had to be about 60 miles an hour at least. Holy mackerels. Wow. Very windy out here. Wow.